हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक इन माय चैनल। आप सभी कैसे हैं? आई थिंक आप सभी स्वस्थ होंगे, मस्त होंगे और इंग्लिश सीखते होंगे। दिस सीन इज एक्चुअली दिस इज अ वेरी बिग ponds and this is situated is nearby village and you can see in this video this is a very big pond and now there is no water is there and because now this is a hot summer season and the all ponds is totally drought and no a single drop water is there, totally drought area like that and you can see in this video. So today's topic, what is a major mistake while people learning the English? People what do? People doing just one mistakes. People just thinking what I learn, what do I learn first? I learn grammar or vocabulary or sentence or structure. Means they people do operation of this English language. No need to do this operation. English, grammar part, vocabulary, sentence structure. No, don't think about this. Just speak. First speak, then after, when you get the some fluency, then after you think what is the grammar, what is the parts of means what is my weakness, which parts I am not touching the properly, I am not talking the properly. Then after you think, but you initially think how I start my English learning, how I start my English journey, grammar, like that. So you cannot start because people thinking more and more. Then after the people is starting, don't think more and more. Just start. Then after you can speak the English, you can improve the English. Means what after learning some learning, then after you observe in your English what which types of mistake I am making, which types of a problem I am facing. Then after you identify, and then after can easily you can resolve this issue, you can resolve this problem. But before you thinking how can I speak, how can I resolve my issue, so not any solution is there. Only one solution is there. First speak. Then after you can learn this English. And some people ask the which books is necessary for me while learning the English and which types of content is need for me while learning the English. So I think if the people know the basic grammar, so I think no any need the books in a base in initially. People just go in a social media platform like that, use the YouTube like that. Then after people can find out a lot of content are available, a lot of uh, structure are available. A very small video, very small structures, daily usage sentence. So I want to suggest first of all you go on YouTube and you open the YouTube and just search in search bar a daily usage sentence. If the people watch the some video in daily usage sentences, then after this is a very helpful of the people because what is the daily routine, what is the daily activity, people every people doing the daily activity, but they don't know how to explain in English. Why they don't know? Because they not try to speak the English, but they not try to explain, to translate in English. To just go in YouTube and search the daily usage sentences and observe and try to speak daily usage sentences. As example like that, you are going in your home, you are going in your farm. Then after you think in your mind, means what activity I am doing, just you try to translate this activity in English language. This is also good procedure to learn this English. Otherwise people just thinking, okay, I will sit in your home, then after I will watch the video and I will then after explain. Okay, if you have time, so okay, no problem, you can watch, you can translate this video. But you have no more time like that, so you can learn this English in a short time. Okay, that's it in this video. I will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, happy learning.